Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway in a sleek, silent car. No gas, no emissions, and no ridiculous $70,000 price tag. Electric vehicles aren't just for tech billionaires and Tesla fanboys anymore. In 2025, EVs are becoming affordable, practical, and seriously cool. And today, I'm taking you inside the top 5 electric cars you can actually afford in 2025. EVs that won't break the bank, but will turn heads at every corner. Let's plug in and roll out. Whether you're tired of gas prices, want to go green, or just want something futuristic in your driveway, this list is made for you. I'll walk you through real-world range, charging speed, features, and price, so you know exactly what to expect before making that all-electric leap. Oh, and there's a wild card pick at the end you probably didn't see coming. Ready? Let's count down the most budget-friendly EVs of 2025. Let's kick it off with the MG4 Electric, a British-Chinese hatchback that's shaking up the EV game in Europe and Australia. Price? Around $30,000 USD or less. Range? Up to 280 miles. And it drives like a dream with rear-wheel drive and quick handling. It's like the Volkswagen Golf of the electric era. And for the price, you're getting a lot of tech. Adaptive cruise control, digital cockpit, and even lane assist. This car's not just cheap, it's smart. America, meet your new family EV, the Chevrolet Equinox EV. Starting at just $34,995, this SUV is spacious, stylish, and offers up to 300 miles of range on a single charge. General Motors designed this to make EVs mainstream, and it shows. You get hands-free Super Cruise on some trims, tons of storage, and a smooth, quiet ride that feels far more expensive than it is. If you've got kids, dogs, or just a lot of stuff, this is your EV. Here comes the Dolphin, a small EV from Chinese giant BYD that's making waves in Europe and Australia. This little hatchback starts at just $25,000, and yet it packs a punch with a 210-mile range and a modern interior that looks straight out of a spaceship. It's compact, efficient, and surprisingly fun to drive. If you're in the city or suburbs, the BYD Dolphin is one of the best cheap EVs you can get in 2025. No frills, just function and flair. Now this one is for the dreamers, but it's getting very real. Tesla is rumored to drop the Model 2 in 2025, an affordable compact EV expected to start around $25,000. Elon Musk himself called it the next big step. And if Tesla pulls this off, it could flip the EV world on its head. You'll likely get, and at number 1, the cheapest EV in Europe, Dashia Spring. This ultra-budget EV is expected to start at just $20,000 or even less, depending on the market. It's not a performance beast, but it gets the job done. Range? About 140 miles, perfect for city commuting. Size? Small but practical. Interior? Basic but functional. It's not a Tesla, but if thou just need wheels, electricity, and Wi-Fi, the Dashia Spring delivers. It's the best first EV for people who want to go electric without taking out a second mortgage. Before we wrap up, one honorable mention goes to the Nissan Leaf. This OG EV is still going strong in 2025, with prices dipping under $29,000 and range reaching 212 miles. It's got history, it's got reliability, and it's a great used EV buy too. Now here's the truth. You don't have to spend luxury money to drive a futuristic ride. These EVs prove that clean energy is becoming democratic, available to more people, more places, at better price. Whether you want practicality, tech, or just something cool to post on Instagram, there's an affordable EV waiting for you in 2025. So which one would you pick? Drop your favorite in the comments and tell us why. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button so more people see it. Subscribe for more future-friendly tech content. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update